A fatty liver, or hepatic steatosis, is a condition characterized by the accumulation of excess fat in the liver. It is a growing health concern due to its association with various metabolic disorders, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. While medical intervention is sometimes necessary, there are natural ways to help detoxify a fatty liver and promote overall liver health. Understanding fatty liver. Before delving into the best ways to detoxify a fatty liver naturally, it's essential to understand the condition. Fatty liver can be categorized into two types: alcoholic fatty liver disease, AFLD, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. NAFLD is more common and is often associated with poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, and obesity. Regardless of the type, the liver needs some TLC to recover and function optimally. 1. Adopt a liver-friendly diet. A fundamental step in detoxifying a fatty liver naturally is to revamp your diet. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients. Key dietary changes include reducing or eliminating high-sugar foods and beverages, as excess sugar consumption is linked to liver fat accumulation. Cutting down on saturated fats and trans fats, commonly found in fried and processed foods. Increasing the intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which provide vital vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support liver health. Incorporating lean proteins such as fish, poultry, and plant-based sources like legumes and tofu. 2. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is crucial for liver detoxification. Drinking plenty of water helps the liver process and eliminate waste products efficiently. Herbal teas, such as dandelion or milk thistle tea, can also support liver health. 3. Exercise regularly. Physical activity not only aids in weight management but also plays a significant role in liver health. Regular exercise helps reduce liver fat and improves insulin sensitivity. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercise and strength training for optimal results. 4. Control portion sizes. Overeating, even healthy foods, can strain the liver. Pay attention to portion sizes and practice mindful eating to prevent overconsumption. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to the development and exacerbation of fatty liver disease. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or mindfulness practices into your daily routine to support liver health. 6. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption. For those with AFLD or a fatty liver due to alcohol abuse, the most effective way to detoxify the liver is to abstain from alcohol. Even small amounts can exacerbate the condition. 7. Supplements and herbal remedies. Certain supplements and herbal remedies may aid in liver detoxification, such as milk thistle, turmeric, and artichoke extract. Consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your regimen. 8. Monitor medications. Some medications can be harmful to the liver. If you have a fatty liver, consult your healthcare provider to assess whether any medications you are taking need to be adjusted or discontinued. Detoxifying a fatty liver naturally is possible by making conscious lifestyle and dietary choices. Implementing a liver-friendly diet, staying hydrated, regular exercise, and managing stress are all crucial components of a holistic approach to improving liver health. Remember, the liver is a resilient organ, and with the right care, it can bounce back and perform its vital functions effectively. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance on managing and detoxifying a fatty liver.